This may just be the very best hat for all of your patches and any and all things that hook on via Velcro. Let's check it out. What's going on, guys? Mikey Messini here with Mikey Daily Carry. And today I'm gonna be doing a quick carry review on the Velcro Bro Hat OG Snapback by Rydex Brand. Now, as a disclaimer, this hat was given to me for review, so thank you so much to Rydex Brand for sending this hat over along with your Rees. Let's cut to the chase. How much is this awesome freaking hat? This hat is only $25. Currently, this is the only model that he offers on his site in this black colorway. Let's go over some main specs. So as I stated, this is a black on black hat. It's one size fits most if your head is a size 7 all the way to a size 8. I'm personally a 7 1/4, sometimes 7 3/8 in fitted hats. So that kind of gives you an idea of where I stand. I pretty much just have it snapped to the normal length of the hat itself. What's different about this hat compared to other hats is that it doesn't have this top button here. It's made with 20% wool and 80% acrylic fabric. It's built from scratch and it has an overly generous amount of Velcro on the hat for all of your Rees. Well, if not all, I mean a good majority of it. It fits all of your small Ranger eyes like such, or even your larger patches like this one right here from Mutant Shoe. You can put morale patches on here. You can put different various types of patches on this hat because it has so much real estate. This is a patch here that my boy Steve from Stacks hooked up for me, so you can wear it single stacked like so. Or if you even want to hook it up with some molly attachments, you can do so like this and rock your baton and your chapstick on your hat as well. Probably a little silly. I wouldn't recommend that, but you get the gist. So who is this hat good for? Well, if you're a Ranger Eye fanatic like me, or you just have a bunch of patches like you see right back there, this hat is a really great hat for you, and especially for the price of $25, that's unheard of, and you can't really find that anywhere. It is a snapback hat, so it is something that you're gonna have to just bear in mind if you're a fitted hat guy. Maybe you wanna give this a shot. But the cool thing about that is as your head grows or it shrinks, it's adjustable to how it looks to you. Things that I personally really like about this hat is how much real estate and Velcro they put on this actual hat itself. I also like the black sleek look because it just keeps it clean and it allows all of your Ranger eyes and other patches to really pop out. If there was something I recommended to be a little bit better or maybe change, is that the fact that they only offer one color. It's only black on black right now. I'm interested though, and I'm curious, what are your thoughts about this hat? Is this something that you would rock? Is this something that you would actually buy for yourself? I truly would love to know. And if you can, comment down and let me know what those thoughts are. If I provided value to you in any way, consider subscribing to the channel and make sure to hit that like button because it definitely helps the channel out. If you want to take it a step further and become a member, there should be a join option at the bottom of this video. If not, you can see it on the main page of my YouTube where you can join in on giveaways, get early access to my videos like such. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and thank you to Rydex Brand for hooking me up with this OG Velcro hat. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.